Okay, so here we are back at the sewing machine, and it's interesting because this is propped up on a box. So first I want to show you, this is the binding that we just removed, and it's just like regular blanket binding. It's just sort of exactly the same thing. So it's all removed. I cut a piece. I decided to go with confetti. I actually think it's going to look kind of pretty. I cut a piece just a little bit longer than what I needed for the neck. Yeah, I need an overhead mount. So it's just a little bit longer than I needed. And the nice thing, if you do binding, here we go, maybe you can see better now. If you do binding that you take off a blanket, there's always one side that is just a little bit longer than the other. You see that? It overhangs. So that's the side you want to be the right side of the material, because that's what you're going to sew, and that will help make sure that you catch the both sides. Sorry about that. The short side is what's going to be on the right side. That way when you stitch it, you're going to make sure you catch both sides. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pin this on, and again for this we're going to use just regular pins and pin it all the way around. I'm going to start by overhanging, as you can see, a little bit, because that's going to get brought over and top stitched down when we're done. So we're going to go over like that, and we are going to just pin it, and you want to pin it pretty closely together. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and then show you what it looks like, and then we'll get sewing.